With 1.2 billion of us here, all looking to make the best possible livelihood, you've got to be very canny at finding your niche ahead of anyone else. And that can mean looking in the most unlikely of places. Take Versova Beach on the northern edge of Mumbai. This barren strip of sand hardly suggests big opportunity. But 50 years ago, new arrivals from Rajasthan made a surprising discovery.
This is the perfectly washed, and this is the water.
Anil's grandfather realized that fresh water on a beach made it perfect for growing the desert crops from back home.
It is a sweet water. You know, sea is a salty, and this is sweet.
The sand-loving bittersweet vegetable fenugreek, known as methi, immediately flourished, growing its tasty sprouts in just 3 days. A solid family business was born.
I really appreciate my grandfather because he gave me this business. Indian people, they love the fenugreeks because it is good for health, good for diabetes and pregnant women.
Today, there are 32 methi farmers here, many with 4 or 5 employees. And they've been granted a license to cultivate this municipal beach. Others have followed, providing services to the growing community. But the houses these recent arrivals have built on the sand are illegal. Father to one of the 40 families calling the beach their home is Rajesh.
I'm the great person who stays next to the sea. This is my small beach apartment. Come inside, I will show you.
He came here after falling for his wife, Savita.
खाना बना रही हूँ, मेथी मेथी. आपको खानी है.
One day it was very nice day for me. I saw this girl. Then I thought in my mind that I will marry with this girl only.
अब मैं थोड़ा एसी ऑन करती हूँ, हाँ, हमारा.
This is my daughter. My dream is that my daughter will become a doctor.
4-year-old Vaishnavi has an 8-year-old brother, Harsh. They've both been brought up on the beach, unlike their father who grew up in his well-to-do parents' apartment. But then, he fell in love.
उसके पापा को लव मैरिज पसंद नहीं है.
My father told, just get out now, just now. How you came inside, that type only you get out from this house. Don't come again to show me your face.
Savita is from a poor family and has a limp from childhood polio. This was so unacceptable. Rajesh's father also made sure his son lost the job he'd secured him at Mumbai airport.
My father told that officer that I will not be secure for my son now because he is married and I have tell him to get lost from my house.
Rajesh now works from home, so Savita expects him to do his fair share of the early morning chores.
She is very angry with me because fire was not going on. That's why the water became very chilled. I should done it, but I want to go for bring newspaper. No, my fire is not starting.
बस.
My son is going to school now.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Savita has a part-time job as a cleaner for a middle-class family in the city. But to earn a bit more on the side, she deals in the beach's homegrown speciality.
अनिल, भाजी दे. ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है क्या? अनिल सबको लूट रहा है 15 रुपये तल्ला देके.
बस ऐसे
चला.
10 रुपया दिया तुमने.
20 है, ज्यादा दिखता है. चश्मा लगा ले. अभी तो लिया है 20 रुपए का. 50-60 रुपए तो निकल आएंगे इसमें.
The family's main business, however, is doubling up their home as a local pub for the Methi farmers.
Now already the 7:45 and the customer always come over here at whatever time they want. They comes and drinks and they go away.
The only drink on offer is cane liquor.
I keep the bottles over here only. But sometimes I have to hide it for cops. That's why I hide inside the bag.
Rajesh doesn't have a liquor license, and his illegal business has landed him in jail once already.
It is very much big risk to selling the liquor. And if any state government will see, then it will be, my life will be fucked. Too much.
Rajesh has few other options, and so reckons the risk is one worth taking. Besides, right now, he has more immediate worries. There's a rumor that the local council, the BMC, are preparing for one of their periodic evictions of the families squatting on the beach.
कल होगा तो बहुत बड़ा नुकसान होगा. तोड़ ताड़ करके जाती है. एटीएम बोला है कि सामान भी रखने नहीं देने. मेरे बिजनेस पे भी असर गिरता है.
देख लाइफ है, लाइफ प्रॉफिट लॉस एक दूसरे का तो होते ही रहता है.
वो तो सही बात है.
लेकिन अब तेरा नुकसान होगा तो फिर मेरा प्रॉफिट हो सकता है, ऐसा मैं बोलता हूँ.
हाँ.
तू जाएगा तो फिर मेरे को स्पेस भी अच्छा मिल जाएगा.
लेकिन उसमें तेरा भला होगा, मेरा तो पूरा लॉस की लॉस है. मैं भी रहता हूँ.
मैं काफ़ी दिनों से रहता हूँ. पहले बहुत कम झोपड़े आते थे, अभी ट्रिपल हो गए, ट्रिपल चपोल हो गए. इतना तो तुझे मालूम है.
कल
आई जाएगा तो फिर दो जन आएंगे, तीन जन आएंगे, फिर ऐसे बढ़ते जाएगा.
बढ़ते जाएगा.
फिर हम लोग को स्पेस भी नहीं मिलेगा. और जाना तो ठीक है,